Good day, Rudolf Smith here from Vans Lab. Today we're going to go through how to take a soil core sample. When opening the sampling kit, you're going to receive an instruction pamphlet along with a wooden block. This is to take the sample, some cling wrap to secure the sample, a water content sampling container, the core sample pipe itself, and a disturbed soil sample bag. We're going to start with the disturbed sample. The depth of this layer is going to be determined by the aim of the project, but we normally sample the 0 to 300 as we see this as the fertility layer. When taking the sample, please make sure to take a representative sample over the whole layer, closing the bag properly, and make sure to label the bag so we can clearly identify the sample. After the disturbed sample, place the core pipe on the previously prepared surface. Using the wooden plank and a hammer, tap the pipe into the soil, making sure it goes in nice and even so we don't cause any disturbance in the sample. When cleaning around the sample pipe, make sure not to destroy the whole area where you've taken the sample, as this is going to affect our water content sample. When taking out this core sample, use the plank as a solid surface to secure the sample as you turn it over in order to clean the sample properly. Make sure to clean the sample nice and even with the sides, as we want a flat surface to work with. When you have any roots or stones in the sample, make sure to not disturb the sample, rather cut the roots off at the soil surface, then pulling them out. Any stones can be left in the sample if they do not stick out too far above the soil level. Using another surface to secure the sample, turn the sample over, making sure both sides are nice and even. Using the cling wrap, secure the sample, making sure that the sample won't move in the pipe and assuring that we don't lose any water content, as this is crucial for our analysis. When you've properly closed the sample with the cling wrap, you can put it aside, taking the water content sampling container, sampling in the same area where the core sample was taken. When done sampling, please repack all three samples in the container, making sure that they're nice and stable, as we don't want to cause any artificial disturbance. When you are done with taking the samples, please make sure to fill out the form in order for us to identify the sample. Make sure to get the sample back to Vans Lab using a courier, or you can come and drop it off in Bloemfontein at the lab.